Hello friends, hope that you are making good use of the previous lessons or tricks of Excel to impress your friends, colleagues and superiors. In case you have missed my video on dynamic borders in Excel, you can watch the video by following the link given in the I button to make working in Excel more convenient. Today we are going to learn another smart trick using which you can print headings on all pages of large Excel datasheet by a simple trick. So let us begin. Friends, to understand this concept, let us use a Excel datasheet having multiple number of rows. See, in this Excel datasheet, I have more than 340 rows. Now, if I want to preview this particular thing, let us say preview this particular sheet, and this shows that there is a heading on the first page of the data sheet. Now, if I go to the preview the second sheet, there is no heading on the second sheet. Similarly, if I preview the third page, there is again no heading on the third page. Now, it is very difficult to understand what is this field signifying. I am not very sure that after this serial number, what is this, or say what is this? Is this the student name and this is the father's name, or is this the student's name and this is the father's name? So, to understand things better, I need to have heading on every page while printing or while previewing, like in the first page. Now, for this particular purpose, what normally we do is we go to the first row, select the first row, then we go to the page layout. In the page layout, in the second tab, which is the page setup tab, we go to the print titles, we click on the print titles, and then in the print titles heading, in the sheet tab, what we do is we click on rows to repeat at the top. So we get another dialog box or pop-up box wherein we select this particular row, and a moving dotted line signifies that we have made the selection of the row which we want to repeat as header on every page. Now we again click back over here, and then if we go to the print preview, then here on the preview page of the first page, we see the heading. Now if we go on to the second page and preview the second page, again we find that there is heading on the second page. Similarly, if we move on to the next page, that is the page 3, here also the heading is appearing. We continue going on to the next page, and we find that the header is there. But for this particular process, what we had to do is we had to number of times click on multiple keys, and then we could achieve the heading on all the pages. But using the trick which we are going to learn today, we can just by simply typing few characters or simply typing a single word, we can achieve heading on all the pages of a large data sheet. If you like this trick, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified for more exciting videos and motivate me to make more and more good videos. Now the same thing can be achieved by clicking a single click or just by typing few words. See, we have seen that we want this row to be the header in all pages which we want to print. What we will do is we will select this particular row and go to this name box. This box is called as name box, and here we will type print underscore titles and we'll just hit enter, and this will make that particular thing achieved. like this. Now see, on the first page there is a heading. Now in the second page also you find this particular thing as heading. You use the third page, you see that there is a heading, and similarly so on and so forth. If you can continue moving on to the next pages, you will find that there is a heading in each and every page of Excel datasheet while we are either print previewing or when we are printing the sheet Excel. Now in case I want that multiple rows should be selected, say supposing I want 2 rows to be the header on all pages, what I will do is I will select these 2 rows and then give print underscore titles, and let us see if this works or not. So in this particular thing you will not be able to make a judgment because it is showing the first row as well as the heading. Now let us go to the second page. If we find the serial number 1 on the second page, then it has functioned, it has worked. So on the second page again we find serial number 1, making it as header for the second page. See, if we go to the third page even has serial number 1, means that you can select as many number of rows to make it heading of the Excel sheet. Thanks for watching my video and encouraging me to make more such exciting videos on Excel. Thank you very much.